Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GPT-4 for free on Android phones. And before we start, don't forget to click the like button. Likes are super important for us. First of all, I want to tell you that Microsoft Bing officially confirmed that the new Bing chat runs on OpenAI's GPT-4. This is officially confirmed. You can see it on Microsoft blog. And the good news about this is that Bing AI chat is free. You can use it for free. And in this video, I will show you how to get access to Bing AI chat and how to use it on your Android mobile phone. So guys, let's take our mobile phones and let's go to Play Store. In the search bar, you should type Bing and search for it. And here it is, Bing Dash, your AI Copilot. You need to install this app to your mobile phone. Let's click install and let's wait for it. Okay guys, we installed the Bing application on our Android phone and now we need to open it. And the first thing we need to do is to sign in. We need Microsoft account to sign in. So let's click sign in. Here you should enter your Microsoft account. If you don't have it, click create one and register a Microsoft account. It will take few seconds. So guys, we logged in and now we can start using the Bing AI chat, which is based on GPT-4 language model. So to start the chat, we should click this Bing logo in the bottom. And Bing chat will open on your mobile phone. Here you can use the voice message or you can just type the prompt, guys. So this is the Bing chat. It's based on GPT-4, so you can use Bing AI chatbot for free. It's not limited, guys. You can use without any limitation. So that's all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click the like button.